Now it's time for the remix. Your chance to add even more to Atom simulation. Here's what you'll do. First, upload the lunar module sprite from Assets Sprites folder. Add a hide block to its green flag code so it starts hidden. Place it on the left side of the stage, somewhere between Atom and the left edge. Next, upload the Mars rover sprite from the Assets Sprites folder, and same thing, add the hide block so it starts hidden. Place it also on the right side of the stage, somewhere between Atom and the right edge. Finally, go back to Atom's costume editor and add three more costumes from Assets Sprites folder. First is the Atom teleporter left, and then second, Atom teleporter right, and lastly, third, Atom teleporter. These give Atom a special teleporter look for future activities. Take your time, position the sprites carefully, and test by clicking the green flag to make sure everything is hidden at the start.